dealing with the libgl ES translator DLL error in a non-Windows app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. To start our guide for libgl ES translator, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This DLL file is a translation library associated with graphics emulators or mobile app development tools. It translates OpenGL ES 3.0 commands into desktop OpenGL instructions for rendering on Windows. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This issue indicates a structural problem within the local graphics driver, GPU installation. Reinstall the latest version of graphics driver, GPU from the official site to restore the libgl ES translator DLL safely, and ensure all registry links are updated. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the libgl ES translator component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. The version of the libgl ES translator DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to the libgl ES translator and registry optimization. If this fix repaired the libgl ES translator dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.